everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook password. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Click on the Settings and Privacy option and click on the Settings option once again. Here you can see Password and Security option in the top section of your screen. Click on it. Now click on the Password and Security option once again and go to Change Password. Tap on the account you wanna change the password. Here in the first box you'll have to type in your current password. Then type in your new password. Your password must be at least 6 characters and should include a combination of numbers, letters and special characters. Retype your new password. And if you've forgotten your current password, you can click on the Forgotten Your Password link. After filling in your password, tap on the Change Password option. And that is how you can change your Facebook password. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.